Hello everyone. Today we're going to continue our topic of characteristics of quadratics, but for this first video we're just going to do a review of functions. So this goes back to chapter 3 from first semester when we determined whether something was a function or not. And if you recall, for functions, it's a function if every input has exactly one output. So that means that if x is equal to 2, it only has one y value. I can't have 2 points, so for instance, I can have 2, 8, but then also 2 is equal to 3. But it doesn't matter if y repeats. So looking at a table, to see whether this is a function, I'm looking to see if my x repeats at all. And I see I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X doesn't repeat, so I'm good. It's okay that y repeats. That's okay, it only matters whether x repeats. We're looking at this next one, I basically just flip-flop this. So since my x repeats, it's 8 across the entire way, this one will be no. Okay, and then I also have this diagram. So this is saying for my input, my 1, it goes to 8. 2 goes to 9, but I see that my 3 is going to 10 and it's going to 11. So if I were to write this as points, that would mean that I would have 3, 10 and 3, 11. So this one is going to be no. That's because an input has more than one output. And now looking at a graph, we had something called the vertical line test. And that vertical line test was that if I draw a vertical line anywhere through the graph and it crosses through more than one point, then it's not a function. And that's because that means if it crosses through more than one point, that x value has 2 different y values. And so I see if I draw a vertical line here, I'm going through more than one point. And so this would be no. Fails vertical line test.